teacher play music, but I want to teach you what this is called. This is have a tire, two flat bags, and have a windows and cabin and a tire. What this is called? And a hydraulic. What this is called?
Hydraulic car.
Have a two platforms.
Tanker.
That's a car carrier.
Okay.
What this is called? Have a big container, cabin, tires, and a forklift.
Truck trailer.
Trailer. Good. Yes, good. What this is called? Have a bin for the garbage go in, and have a cabin and windows and tires and chimneys. Chimney. Yes, you're right. That's a garbage truck. What this is called? Have a bin and hydraulics, and he can carry that in his container. And this is have a cabin, windows, tires, and what this is called?
I don't know.
What is
truck?
good? This is a dump truck. What this is called? Have a drum, windows and cabins and tires.
Mixer truck.
You're right. That's a mixer truck. What this is called? You have a big tire for the flat the road and a tire and a cabin and lights.
Road roller.
You're right. That's a roller. What this is called?
Yes.
Yes. What this is called? Woods and cabins and straight lines and tires and lights and handles. What this is called?
Wood truck.
You're right. That's wood truck. Now, Ian, I want to teach you what I'm playing.
Piano.
You're right. This is stirring. Ding, ding, ding. What I'm playing?
A guitar.
Good. Now, a broccoli one. I want to build a bridge. Drawing.
1, 2, 3.
I draw this one, this one, this one. What this is called? You have platforms and tires and seats for the people to drive. What this is called? I draw forklifter trucks and I draw container trucks and I draw a tow truck. What this is called? You have a tires and boxes to carry and flat bags and the seats for the people and lights and two-wheelers lift. You're right! That's a forklifter truck. What this is called? You have a big container and socks and a window and a cabin and a lights and a tires. What is this called?
Container truck.
Good. What is this called? You have a long rope, tires, flat bags, and cabins. What is this called?
Mixer.
I still teaching.
Yeah.
What is this called? A tow truck. Ulang lagi. What is this called?
Tow truck.
Good. Now finish. What is it inside this bowl? What is this? What is Kevin doing in this bowl? It's a water truck. Let's spark it off. so long to splash it. Ta-da! Splash. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching my truck show. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.